In dynamic and demanding environments, PV projects face constant shading challenges. From bird droppings and chimneys to tree shadows, these common sources of shading directly reduce power generation and erode long-term project returns. To overcome these challenges, AIKO ABC modules deliver a breakthrough with partial shading optimization. In conventional modules, when a cell is shaded, it stops generating power, acts as a large resistor, creates hotspots, and activates bypass diodes, shutting down the entire parallel cell string. With unique structure of AIKO ABC cells, current continues to flow evenly across the cell even under shading. This minimizes hotspots formation, keeps bypass diodes inactive, and ensures efficient power generation across the entire cell string. According to TUV partial shading test report, when a cell is fully shaded, ABC modules can generate extra 30% electricity than conventional modules. AIKO ABC modules also have received the world-first TUV Rhineland Class A shading resistance certification. Whether it's bird droppings, chimneys, or tree shadows, AIKO ABC modules are engineered to perform, ensuring high power generation efficiency and maximizing lifetime value for clients. AIKO ABC, outsmarting shading, empowering every watt.